Greetings to everyone who is watching this video. I'm Aqib Feroz and I'm back with another video. This is a very simple video and you can make it at home. So the topic of our video is how to make an kaleidoscope. In this video I will be showing you the preview and how to make it. So let's begin. So here you can see this is the preview. See the kaleidoscope here you can see. So here you can see we have inserted many objects inside it. Now when you shake it here you can see the designs are changing, or when you tilt it even the designs will change. Here you can see. You will be noticing and you will be fascinated by that the designs which are in these this kaleidoscope is not repeated. Every time and every turn or every shake you will have a new different design. So here you can see we are gonna show you how to make the kaleidoscope. So the things that I told you in the beginning of the video, and you can see I'm gonna show you. See, this is a rectangular mirror, as you can see. Okay, you need 3 pieces of rectangular mirror, a translucent polythene, a transparent polythene, a wrapping paper if you want to do the design, that's your wish, but some materials as you can see over here, tape, scissors, and let's begin. So the first thing, make sure to keep one rectangle as a base, another over here, and another over here. Make sure that this mirror is facing to each other, and try to just make it in a form of a prism. So here you can see I just assembled it. So just make it sure you can use a companion. Now we will just wrap that it put on this to make it fixed. So there you can see after wrapping this, this will look like this. See, you can see it's very perfect. It will look like a prism. Here you can see. So now you have wrap transparent cover any side you wish. You're gonna do it from this side. So after wrapping this, here you can see the transparent plastic. So you can see I have almost wrapped this translucent polythene. So just wrap it a little bit half and use these particles as you can see over here that I have, and just put it inside. Then seal it. So you can see I have put it inside. Now I'm gonna seal it. So you can see I sealed it very perfectly. Now since we have sealed it, now you can see the particles are inside. Now you use a gift wrapper to wrap it and make it a good look, give it a good look. So here you can see I finished wrapping it. It will look like beautiful. You can use any gift wrapper, that depends on you. Now let's look through this. Can you see? Okay, see, now if you shake, designs will change. So here you can see designs are changing. So here again, if you rotate, just make it sure you have to shake it so you can see. So your kaleidoscope is ready for use. You can use it.